Hello everybody, my name is Amar Hilal from the Losers team. We are 5th semesters engineering students in the German university in Cairo. We were enrolled in a digital system design and we were asked to make a project by using this FPGA board, which is Altera DE2. So we thought how to make it useful for our society. Our project is talking about a fire truck that can detect fire by using the smoking sensor and extinguish it by using water pump. And it also can be controlled by this mobile phone. And you can control it anywhere around the world by calling this mobile phone and using your mobile phone dial pad. And my friend Mustafa will continue explaining our DTMF sensor to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mustafa Adil. I am enrolled in the same team, the Losers team, and I would like to introduce to you the DTMF sensor or DTMF decoder. DTMF stands for Dual 2 Multi-Frequency, and now for every mobile phone, our pad have 12 keys, and every key have a unique frequency. So we have 12 different keys in 12 different frequencies, so we can represent it in 4 binary bits. Our DTMF sensor is directly connected to our mobile phone using the headset. And now, by calling our mobile phone, the DTMF will detect the tone of the frequency, and by make use of this function, we can move our robot forward, backward, right or left. Thanks, and I would like to introduce to you Radwan Abdulrahman, who will talk about the mechanism of the motion. Thanks.
Hello everybody, my name is Altera Abdulrahman and I will explain to you the motion mechanism of the truck. So, we have two main motors for the wheels. Each wheel has a motor. In order to move forward, we have to move both of the wheels forward. And to move backward, we have to move both of the wheels backward. To move left, we have to move the left wheel backward and the right wheel forward. And vice versa to move right. So now we know that each motor has two different directions of motion that can be controlled using the concept of edge bridge, and we apply it by using transistors and relays. So every motor has two relays, two for this and two for this motor, and two transistors. The output of the Altera control the relays using the transistor, and the switches and the relays control the wheel as a switches. So if we activate this relay and deactivate the other one, this wheel will move forward. And if we deactivate this relay and activate this one, it will move backward. And the same for the other wheel. And all this can be controlled using the Altera. And now I will leave you with my colleague Karim that will explain the controlling part. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, I'm Karim Bawab with you. Now as Radwan said before me, that each motor need two relays to work. Okay, so we have now 4 relays for the motion motors and 1 relay for the water pump motor. And we have also an alarm system consists of a buzzer and a red LED that warns the surrounding whenever any dangers happen. Okay, in order to combine all these components together, we made a PCB board as you see here, and this PCB board has a separate power supply that supply the whole circuit with the needed power. Okay. These components represent our outputs, or in another word, to make everything easier, we represent these 7 components in 7 bits, as you see here. 7 zeros. Yes. These 2 zeros represent relay 1 and relay 2. That belongs to the right motor. And these 2 zeros represent relay 3 and relay 4 that belongs to the left motor. And this 0 represents the water pump relay, of course. And these two zeros represent the alarm systems that consist of the red LED, as we see here. And this zero will represent the buzzer. Okay? Whenever we need to activate any one of these components, so this zero will be a 1. And now I will explain how we control this outputs. We control first the inputs coming from the DTMF and the smoke sensor. We'll go to the Altera that will control it in a way cover all the cases and all the orders, move forward, move back, move backward, move left, right, and so on. And this order will go to the PCB board to make the needed components to work. As an example, if we want to move the car forward, as Radwan said before, so we need relay 1 from the left motor and relay the first relay from the right motor to activate. So the combination that we the representation of the output will be as follows: 1 0 1 and 4 zeros. And of course, we know that this one belongs to relay 1 and this one belongs to relay 3. That they are the first relay in the left motor and the first relay in the right motor. Okay. And there is another special case that we don't talk about it. It's the case of the smoke sensor. Whenever the smoke sensor detects a fire or smoke, the alarm system will work, and also the water pump will work. We can represent it in the combination that will be 4 zeros by 3 ones. Why is that? Because the last 3 ones represent the alarm system, and the relay belongs to the water pump. Okay. And now we want to show you the whole project when it works, and we will go to Muaz that will control it from another way from here. Okay, thank you guys. Have fun.
I am Muaz al-Nashar. I will show you the practical part for our project and how we can control it from another place. I will make a call for the truck and to show how we can control it. Now I will press 2, the truck will move forward. If I press 8, it will move back. Second right. And if I press 4, the truck will move left. If I press star, the buzzer and the LED will activate it. If I press hash, the bomb will activate it. If I press any other key, the truck will stop. And that's it. Thank you, guys.
Now we will show you how the smoke sensor detects the fire, and as a result the truck will pump water and the alarm system will be activated, the LED and the buzzer.
Now it detects the fire and it bombs the water out. Thanks.